From the broken walls of Ardrossan, I gaze across the tide, where Aaron stands in silence on the far and endless Clyde. The banners once were flying, the steel ones struck the stone. Now only waves remember the battles long since gone. Oh, the sea carries whispers of freedom's bitter cry, of Wallace and the fallen who would not yield or die. And the islands keep their secrets in the mists they still confide. The ghost of Scotland's struggle drifts across the Clyde. The garrison lies silent in the larder, cold and deep. The echoes of their final breath in restless shadows sleep. The castle walls are broken, yet the spirit lingers near. When storms roll off the ocean, his voice is what you hear. The torchlight fades to memory, the years to endless waves, but Ardrossan holds the stories of the bravest and the graves. And on a clear horizon, when orange shines with pride, the heart of Scotland answers from the first.